this is the skill for resident positioning and alignment, Fowler's position. For this skill, the mannequin will already be in a supine position. So the first step is always the first step for most of ours. We're going to knock before entering, identify and greet the resident. We're going to explain the procedure, perform hand hygiene, and also provide privacy. The first step, which is critical, is to raise the head of the bed between 45 and 60 degrees. This is one of the few skills you do not have to move the bed up in the air, okay? We don't work with the bed rails, we do nothing but put the patient in a Fowler's position. So this is an angle of between 45 and 60 degrees. Now we must make sure that the spine is straight on our resident. Then we're going to support the head with a pillow. And support the arms with a pillow. So each arm will get a pillow underneath it. Next, I need to make sure that I attach the call light. That is a critical step. Make sure it's within resident's reach. And perform hand hygiene and report and record.